Hey, what's up, guys? What the heck? Okay, sorry about that. What's up? I got halfway through it, my recording stopped recording, so I'll just tell you where I left off. I went in here and realized it wasn't recording. I was like, what? If you ever see me go in there, it's just me checking, see if I'm recording. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I can just catch you up on what I did. I went ahead and put the materials UI into a GUI and made this little area with wood blocks. Either way, it doesn't matter. It's free model in the description. Just take it. Anyways, I took this material and added that stuff. Put it inside the server script. Made two new remote events. Removed UI and add UI. And that's where I'm at right now. I'm coding these two things. So we're gonna do player GUI dot GUI dot material colon destroy. Okay, that's pretty easy. Now that that's finished, we can go ahead and start firing that when it's unequipped. My hand really hurts. I just got cramping it out. Okay, so instead of doing this, I'm gonna go script.parent dot remove GUI colon fire server. Okay, now we have that. This should actually work. Let's see if it works. Moment of truth. Actually, I think the whole thing would work. Oh no. Okay, so the way I figure out is I go near materials, not a member. I'm not sure if I spelled that right. Let's see. It's not giving it as well. GUI tool. Okay, wait. Transparency is not a valid member of model. Backpack. When's it? Okay, line 16. Break that transparency equals. Oh, sorry. Dot. Root. Value. Oh yeah, okay. Sorry, I messed a couple things up. So that should work. I forgot to delete a couple things. Okay, it's spawning it, but now it can't find the position. That's obviously because we need to go dot root. Yes, save it. So I hope that really saved. Clone pick dot root. That position equals. Brick color. Yeah, so clone brick the material equals mad. Okay, so clone brick dot. We're actually gonna completely ruin the materials because we don't need the material or color right this second because now we're changing it to models. Clone brick or clone brick and destroy. Okay, so now use UI is not a valid member tool, obviously. It's not valid. No, it's not. Where's that at? Line 13. Oh, whoops. Dot value equals. Okay. A couple errors I needed to fix. So check real quick. Okay. Let me make sure not to recording. Alright. Okay, so now can cloud is not a member model, obviously. So we're gonna need to do the brick dot root. I'm just gonna copy this whole thing actually. save it. You know, I keep forgetting not to leave before I do it. That should be working. That's models. Now I gotta change it to sofa. Okay, the welds didn't work. That's weird. Usually the welds work. Okay, so the weld did work. That's right. It did work, but nothing's moving with it. Huh. And the problem is, I've always had this problem. If I anchor all of it, nothing moves. Here, I'm gonna manually do the welds real quick, actually. Instead of using a welding script, I'm gonna manually do the weld. So, go to the model, create weld from here to here, weld from here to here, weld from here to here. That's the root joint. Okay, so now that everything's welded together, let's put this back in objects and see if it works. If you hit the manual weld, that's gonna suck, because if you make big models like one of the cars, some things that really suck. Change it down the sofa. Okay, it's still not working. That's not good. Yeah, I've always came across this problem. So I'm trying to think. I never actually figured out. This is the part I keep getting stuck at because I'm not understanding what's wrong with it. It's like not when all go to the same place. I'm worried I'm at to like make sure all of them are next to it. So like, it would be really hard to do though. I'm trying to think of a simple way to fix this. You know what? I think setting the primary part C-frame would work. Yeah, let's try doing that. Let's see. No, because that's not gonna work. Dang it, this is a really complex thing to do. You know, the way I would do it, if you're making a model, just union everything together. I can't think of how you would even do that. 1 second, I'm gonna go into Roblox.com dev thing. Let me show you what I want to do. Just in case you need to. I just put Roblox develop, something like that. It's like a developer forum thing. Developer hub. Yeah, this will tell you all the things. Like, let's search it up. Teleport. Oh wait. Yeah. For okay. World model parts of it. Yeah, let's do that. Take a little. Well. Okay, set the model C-frame. Model set. The heck? Model column set primary part C-frame model set identity. Okay, set at least I. Okay, yeah, this is not what I thought it would be. Yeah. Sorry, people walked in wearing this. Back to what I was doing. So, yeah, I gotta go figure this out one second. Alright, so I was on there and I didn't see anything, so I just thought of what I think I might do. Now that I think of it, what if I think I was wrong. What if I actually make this unanchored? And then put the sofa in here. And then try it. I think that actually might work. I think I'm an idiot and didn't want to accept that didn't work. No, because sofa? Nope, it still doesn't work, I think so. I don't understand why it doesn't want to move. 1 minute. Actually, I also just remembered setting the primary part C-frame might work too. So let's anchor it again, just so it doesn't fall apart. I didn't think about setting the primary parts. Right? So I'm gonna do that. Well, I did, but then I thought it wouldn't work. Now I'm just gonna do it. Position. Where's position at? Doesn't wanna. Where did I put the position at? Or am I just stupid and not looking here? Root C frame. Wait, root colon. Wait, root dot colon. Set primary part C frame. And what we ought to put here, I think it would. I'm trying to remember how I did it. I think a C frame. Okay, putting a C frame. Okay, let's do C frame dot new. I'm not sure what I put here. I'm gonna do pose and comma vector 3 dot new 0, 0, 0. That should be the rotation we're gonna do. Actually, the position is literally the position where I want it to go. So yeah, that's a vector 3 too. I'm not sure if that'll work or not. I have to do this the really hard way. Okay, that's weird. It's setting the rotation weirdly where I am. Like, it's all rotating to me. It's weird. Wait. No, that's the mouse's rotation, I think. I'm not sure why it's doing that. What if I do it sofa, though? Oh, yeah, that's working. It's actually teleporting it where I need it to be. Alright, then I think I got them backwards. What if I go ahead and do... mouse dot... Wait, I'm trying to think of where would... Where's the position? Because it's the mouse target. No, that's the mouse that hit. It should be actually mouse that hit is not a C frame, right? Okay, where's the thing? Okay, position is vector 3 mouse dot 4 mouse dot hit X, Y, and Z. Okay, then we just need to send these 3 values in their own. Actually, what if I set the primary part C frame and set the orientation of each part to 0? That might work. That might not work though. I'm not sure. Ugh. Set the primary part C frame to pose. Just set the pose. Let's see what happens. It's probably gonna say an error, but let's see. Maybe they fixed that. Made it a little easier. I thought so. So what is a C frame? I'm not actually sure what a C frame might be. What the heck? When they? Okay. Oh yeah, I was looking at that. Okay, so set primary part C frame, right? What I needed. Well, actually, no, I need to know what a C frame is. C frame. What is the C frame? Alright, so the right vector, up vector. Alright, so where does it show the C frame? Target and then the eye. What's that? What are those? One second. Alright, sorry about that. very busy person today because it's not 3 a.m. and I plan to get to bed at 12. Because I usually record at 3 a.m. because no one else is awake, annoyingly. So yeah, let's get back to work. I forgot where I was at. Oh yeah, I was looking for C-frames. What is a C-frame? I'm so confused. I actually never had to do a C-frame. What's the I and oh, look at the target and then the I. Okay, number, the Y coordinate. C-frame. Okay. What? C-frame dot new. Base part. I just need to type it C-frame and keep looking there. I'm not sure how I find this. See what I mean? This is like the really hardest thing to do. Okay. C-frame value. Okay, so what is a C-frame value? Oh no, that's just a actually. What is a C-frame? Yeah, what's a C-frame chord? I'm not sure, like. It's like the hardest thing I've done yet so far. Why is this so hard? To make a C-frame. Maybe the realest thing. No. Okay, wait. C-frame. A C-frame that new. Look what? CF equals C-frame that new. 3 digits time. It's not helpful at all because I'm really trying to figure out how. Wait, I am just okay. Here, number X, number Y, number Z. What's the QX? C from that it creates a series of positions, and then the quadrants. So what's that? Okay, C from X. C-frame creates a C-frame to translate into columns. Okay, that's not helpful. C-frame that new. Creates a C-frame from the position. What? These are all the same. C-frame creates a C-frame for the position. Okay, so I just need to put C-frame that new. Okay, well if I would have known that, I could have done that from the start. If this works, I'm gonna be mad that I haven't figured this out before. Cause you learn something new every time. It works. So far. Oh, it hasn't loaded yet. Okay. Don't you just love when things work? This couch is also, the sofa's not far enough to, it's like lifted off the edge of it. Okay. I don't know if I'm the only one that's ever done this, but I get really mad when stuff works that should have worked from the start if I was just had a little more brain. Okay, well, if I would have done that, then whatever. Doesn't matter, I got it working, that's all that matters. There you go. I left that out there instead of putting it back in there. Alright, so that's it. That's all you have to do to make it. Add more buttons. Very easy. And now, unlike all my other videos where I don't have to teach you how you can add your own, I think I should teach you how to add your own. Can I change this back to wood block here? I can. So I don't ever have to actually delete it. It can stick in your book. Your big brains, what am I saying big brain for? That works. It's still floating. I thought I just fixed that. It ain't going down enough. I guess. There we go. That should be enough. Make sure you go down enough of your C-framing. Sofa. Yeah, I could go a little more, but I'm done. It's a really large sofa. Okay, well, to add your own, like to add more things, like your own model or more models, open up this. Open up one of the text buttons, or like duplicate the text button, move it down a bit. Go in the script and change it to what object you have. Let's say you have a new one called, let's just do a, actually, yeah, let's do a rig, like a character, like an R15 character. Shove it in there. Anything would work as long as it has a primary part. That's named root. Shoot. It's not gonna work. It needs root. I'm gonna have to make that easier for you guys. See, I am a very nice YouTuber, I guess, apparently. I'm gonna actually waste my time and actually make it easier. So instead of doing root, I'm gonna do primary part. Find primary part. Primary part. This is actually really hard to go through. At all? Okay, good. Now I need to go in this script and look for anything that says root. Oh, there's a lot. Great. Primary part. What the heck? Primary part. Primary part. Okay, now that I've done that, all you have to do is name it to whatever, so we're gonna name it dummy. Drag our dummy. Wait, I thought I already added dummy. Did I delete dummy? Dummy. Drag him in here. Okay, so name it dummy inside the script. Go out here. Obviously name it dummy. Just so they know what they're trying to spawn. And then drag it back to the script. Close play and let's see how it works. No, dummy. Look at that. Place a bunch of dummies right side by side. Of course, the legs go in. There's a way to fix that. All you have to do is, it's actually gonna be complex. For each one, you have to figure out how many studs up until it's in the middle of their primary part. So if you want to know how to do that, I'll show you right now. So if we go over and we check the base plate by duplicating it, scaling it up to the very top so it's like a flat whole plate. We check what the position is, which the position is 0.025, negative 0.025. Okay, figure that out. That's the surface of the plate place. It's 0.025 negative. I'm gonna forget that. Okay, negative 0.025. Okay, go in here, click on his root part, duplicate it, check how many studs that is up and down. If you look at the position, or the size actually, look at the size, okay, 13. Actually, you could have done that the whole time. you want to get to the middle of this part. So actually, before you do it, scale it down. Hold control, scale down, then scale it out all the way to the bottom. Yeah, do it. You don't have to do the flat thing. Never mind. You literally need to remember 0.25. Do that, and to tell you how many blocks up. So 12.84. Just hold control. Press C. Okay. Whoops! I wasn't meant to delete you, dummy. All right. So 1 second. Sorry about that. Alright, so once you figure that out and you copied it, one second.
Wants to sleep with Hunter.
Sorry about that. Can you guess what I have right now? I guess you think a Snickers, a Reese's bar, something good? No. I have a slice of cheese. I ate slices of cheese. Don't judge me. It's like really good. Anyways. Then you put any model in, and it works. Oh yeah. Yeah. There you go. That's it. By the way, I've been gone for about 30 minutes. I don't actually know. Check the before I cut it and after. Anyways. That's all. I don't remember what I was doing, so that's it. Enjoy.